This is amazing. Christmas in July on Mystic Island.
Doesn't get better than this, people. Beautiful. Look at this.
This is amazing.
It's
just amazing.
Amazing. Check out these boats, Chris.
Everyone decorates their boats like it's Christmas time, but it's July out here on Mystic Island. Check these boats out there. Lights, all of them, Christmas lights, decorations, and they're amazing.
Oh, how beautiful. Merry Christmas! Oh my God.
You guys know where you're going?
Wow, Christmas. Oh, wow.
Lisa, these boats are amazing, aren't they?
Christmas in July, Chris. Look at this. They're gorgeous. Only on Mystic Island. Merry Christmas!
In July, right, Lisa?
In July.
Christmas in July on Mystic Island. I have to say, Mystic Island has everything. There's so much joy, there's so much love, and you can feel that Christmas spirit. I mean, it's July, but the Christmas spirit is right here on Mystic Island. Wow. Lisa, I'm just so overjoyed. I love Mystic Island.
Well, nobody loves Christmas and Mystic Island more than us.
That's right.
You combine the two together, and you got Chris, you got Lisa.
That's right.
Doesn't get better than this.
That's right. We love Mystic Island and all our wonderful neighbors out here on the Jersey Shore.
What a community, what a great place to live.
Yes, it is.
Look at that sky. It's a beautiful
Sky's
night.
beautiful.
And look at this. Look
You're beautiful, Lisa. I love you so much, baby.
Love you too.
And she makes it beautiful. She's gorgeous.
Wow, look at that.
So, this is an amazing parade. I have to say thank you to everyone who participated tonight. You guys are great. All our neighbors here on the Jersey Shore, Mystic Island. We love all of you. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Chris the Hobby Guy. Subscribe. You're gonna love it.
Channel.
They're going down the channel. I love it.
Woo! So we'll go that way, down like... Yeah, they'll go all the way down. I bet they'll go on our side, Chris.
Merry Christmas in July. Wow. The joy of Christmas on Mystic Island in July. So much love. Look at this. People are decorating their docks with Christmas decorations. The boats in here, look at these boats, all decorated. Christmas on Mystic Island! Merry Christmas in July!
Hobby guys.
Hey everybody!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas in July!
On Mystic Island!
Merry Christmas!
In July!
Only on Mystic Island.
That's right, beautiful, magical Mystic Island.
So what do you think of this awesome parade?
I love it. I love all the lights and the people.
Only here in Mystic Island. Merry Christmas, guys.
Yes.
Merry Christmas
Merry
in July
Christmas.
with our great neighbors right here on Mystic Island. Great community, great
Love the
place.
channel, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lisa. Annual event that they have, and it's called Christmas in July. It's right out here in gorgeous, gorgeous Mystic Island.
Well, once a year, everyone decorates their boats with Christmas lights and decorations, and they go all around the lagoons. And they're celebrating Christmas in July.
Those boats are magnificent. Each one had its own beautiful decor. The lights were shining, the Christmas music was playing, and everyone was smiling. Beautiful night and a beautiful time right here.
Yeah, that was amazing, Lisa. Seeing all those wonderful boats and all of our neighbors with their boats lit for Christmas in July. That was an amazing event. Well, thank you all, and I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chris the Hobby Guy. Follow us on Instagram at Chris the Hobby Guy too.
Hope you're having a great summer. We know we are, and we love it out here in beautiful, beautiful Mystic Island.
God bless all of you. From Chris
And Lisa.
on the Jersey Shore. Hi everyone, it's Chris.
And Lisa. Chris, we are just so excited to share these great videos with our wonderful community of Mystic Island, our own little paradise.
We love Mystic Island and we love all of you. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and see more videos.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy these amazing videos.
We love all of you. From Chris
And Lisa, God bless.